Understanding quantitative metrics, a key to measuring success. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're diving into an essential concept used across various fields, from business to education, and even in our daily lives: quantitative metrics. Understanding this term not only enriches your vocabulary but also equips you with a valuable tool for measuring and analyzing performance. Let's embark on this enlightening journey together. Quantitative metrics refer to numerical data that measure and evaluate the performance, quality, or success of different activities, projects, or entities. Unlike qualitative data, which is descriptive and involves characteristics that cannot easily be measured, quantitative metrics deal with numbers and figures that can be quantified. This means they provide a clear, objective way to assess outcomes using mathematical analysis. Quantitative metrics are crucial because they offer a straightforward method to gauge efficiency, productivity, and progress. They help individuals and organizations to set and achieve goals by providing clear targets to aim for, make informed decisions by relying on objective data rather than subjective opinions, track progress over time to see if improvements or adjustments are needed, compare performance against competitors or benchmarks, fostering healthy competition and growth. To give you a clearer picture, let's look at some common examples of quantitative metrics. Sales revenue, the total amount of money generated from sales, indicating a business's financial performance. Customer satisfaction scores, numerically represents how satisfied customers are with a product or service, often gathered through surveys. Website traffic, the number of visitors to a website, which can indicate the site's popularity and effectiveness in attracting an audience. Employee turnover rate, the percentage of employees leaving a company within a certain period, reflecting the company's workplace environment and stability. To make the most out of quantitative metrics, consider the following tips. Choose relevant metrics. Focus on metrics that are directly related to your goals. Use a benchmark. Compare your metrics against industry standards or past performance to contextualize your data. Regularly review. Continuously monitor your metrics to identify trends and make timely adjustments. Combine with qualitative data. For a comprehensive analysis, complement quantitative metrics with qualitative insights for a more in-depth understanding. Quantitative metrics are a powerful tool for measuring success and making data-driven decisions. By understanding and utilizing these metrics effectively, you can achieve your goals with greater precision and insight. We hope this video has shed light on the importance and utility of quantitative metrics in your professional and personal endeavors. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Remember, mastering the English language opens up a world of opportunities, and every step you take in expanding your vocabulary and understanding complex concepts brings you closer to fluency. Keep learning and stay curious.